to add a card to Apple Pay on iPhone. With Apple Pay, you can make payments using your iPhone, iPad, or even Mac. First of all, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Then press on the plus to start adding a card at the top right corner of your screen. Now use debit or credit card for new cards. Hit continue button to add a card. Follow the on-screen instructions to input the required card details. It is possible that a bank will require an application to be downloaded as a part of the process. If you have an Apple Watch paired with your iPhone, you can add the card to watch as well. Proceed to verify the added card before you can use it for making payments. And that is it. You need to connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone before adding your card. Then follow the same steps as above and select your watch as the device you want to add the card to. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.